covering major news across San Diego. 10 News starts with breaking news.
Welcome back to 10 News. I'm Steve Atkinson.
And I'm Kimberly Hunt. We start today with breaking news from the East County, where firefighters are battling an out-of-control brush fire.
For the latest, let's go to our reporter live at the 10 News Experience.
Here I go. As you can see, the fire on the hills continues on the hills. Helicopters are dropping water to save homes. It is hot and dry, making it very difficult to fight the flames. This map gives you a good idea how much the fire has spread. We'll stay out here as long as we can and have more updates in 10 minutes. Back to you in the studio.
Great job. For the latest breaking news updates throughout the day, turn to 10 News.
And stay connected to major news anytime, anywhere on 10news.com. We'll be right back.